22 videos this month already. Shh, dog. Hello, this is a down and dirty video that I'm shooting on the fly because I'm working on a presentation that needs to be finished today. But I set a schedule for this channel. I set myself a challenge of uploading every single day today, and I need to upload today. So I'm not going to post the video that I originally planned to post because it's quite a complicated edit. I'll be posting that tomorrow. So instead I'm shooting this video so I can edit it quickly, no lights, just light from my window, because I need to fulfill that schedule and that promise. Why do people even set a schedule? Is it important? Yes, it is, and for two reasons. First of all, you want people to build you and your channel into their daily, weekly, or monthly habits. You want them to keep coming back and start sessions on YouTube with your videos. The more times people come to YouTube first off to watch one of your videos, even if they go off and watch other people's videos, your channel and videos will be rewarded for starting that session on YouTube. Secondly, by having a schedule, people know that you're serious. When they find your video and maybe visit your channel page to see what you're all about, watch your channel trailer, have a bit of a browse around, if they see that you've got a schedule and they can see clearly that you're sticking to it, they're much more likely to make that commitment of subscribing because they know it's going to be worth their while and you're actually going to deliver on your promises. And so this second point is really important, sticking to your promise. If you say to someone that you're going to upload every Tuesday and Thursday, you better damn sure mate that you're going to do it, because if you don't, one, they're not doing that session start, but two, you look unreliable as a creator. And if someone is investing in your channel, investing in you, then you need to prove your worth. You need to prove that you can be trusted and that your word is your bond and you stick to what you mean. So I could have easily not uploaded today. I've uploaded 22 videos this month already. Shh, dog. I've already uploaded 22 videos this month. I could have easily taken the day off, but I made a promise and I'm going to stick to it to show my audience that under this new channel relaunch, I mean what I say, and when I say something, I'm going to deliver on it. So should you set a schedule? Yes. If you do, I'd put it in your channel banner, in your about copy, and sometimes it's even a nice idea to put it in your playlist. So if you've got a specific kind of video that comes out on a Tuesday, let's say product unboxings, you can say product unboxings, new videos every Tuesday in the playlist title. Not necessary, but a nice little touch. So yeah, commit to a schedule, make it public, that's going to keep you accountable, and then deliver on it. That's the most important point. You must deliver on a schedule if you set it. So I'm doing that, I'll be doing that going forward, and I hope you do too. If you'd like to see the other videos that I release on schedule, then you can click here to subscribe, and to see the rest of the videos that I've uploaded this August for Vader, you can click here. See you soon.